Guys, and welcome to a HTML tutorial part 11, and we're going to be going through headers and footers. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about headers, footers, asides, and some summary and details. So let's do some headers and footers in HTML. So here we are in HTML, and let's go through the first one. So the first one is going to be a header. So right here on the web browser, we've done this earlier on the web browser here, so we put this as a header and we designed it, put the background color of it, and etc. So so right here above the body style and below the head, just write, all you just have to write is just header. Do add an ER right here. Then between those two tags, maybe just write like we could just repeat it again. I guess this is a header. Then it said, yeah, let's just save that and refresh. Then it'll say on the left. So we could also style it a bit, and then just to make it look nice as well, by putting this is a header bit onto in the middle. So in here in the header, just write style, then write text align, then write center, because we're going to put it in the middle and is a text as well. So on here, just save it, refresh, then it'll say it right here. I mean, it's your choice, you could add more stuff onto it, but for now I'm just gonna put the text aligned into the center. So yeah, the first one is actually pretty easy. And yeah, so now let's get onto the footer. So let's go all the way down to the bottom, and then here just write footer. Use the footer right here. Then here we could it could put like some like symbols in it. So I'm gonna put like copyright website. Then we're gonna add a copyright symbol, so we could do that by doing the and copy, then a semicolon. So yeah, so put that, and then after that just write your name. I guess I'm just gonna put my channel name, and then save it, then refresh right here, then go all the way down to the bottom and right here. So as always, we could style it, then put it, so text align, then put it in the center right here. So save that, refresh, then it's in the center right here. So yeah, so that's actually, so you can see the copyright symbol right here. So on my notepad, on my notepad I put the website of like all of the symbols you could get, so that this link will be in the description below. So yeah, we could just go onto the website right here. I'm just gonna copy it and then paste it onto Google, and here this website you could, there's a lot of symbols you could do. So yeah, so right here you could do all these symbols right here. So let's just do like 3 examples here. So we're gonna do the registered sign, the diamonds, and let's do the trademark symbol right here. So so we could do that. So let's just save out that. Then so let's do a different one. So let's just use the same one right here. So okay, so as we said, we're gonna do let's do the diamonds first. So right here, so at DIAMS, then semicolon. So just save that, refresh, then it'll say it right here, and it actually looks pretty nice between the copyright website and the Big-Into Code text right here. So let's do another one. So we could do the trademark symbol. So let's just put trade right here, Control S, then the trademark symbol right here, and we done the diamonds, copy, and we're gonna do this one right here. So REG right here, then the registered mark right here. So yeah, summary as well. So we could do right here summary, then here we could write the this is a summary right here. So we could do a breakline right here just to separate it. So I think some of them should breakline by itself, but I'm not sure why, but mine doesn't. So so yeah, right here. So I don't think it really makes a difference, I guess. So you're technically saying the same thing, but I think these tags are probably used for like probably marking something out and like which one's which. So so yeah, so that's details and summary done. We could also do the aside stuff as well. So they're technically sidebars. So we could just write aside right here. Then here we could do like we could do some lists, I guess. So let's do like an unordered list right here. Then repeat it again. Then we could write so we could write like li, then right here just write this is list 1, and just copy and paste it a few times. Then yeah, so you could just change it up right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right here, so it should appear in the side thing, a sidebar right here. So yeah, so there's a little indent right here as well. So yeah, so that's lists right here, that's the sides right here. So they sort of act like sidebars and etc. So if we added a bit of like CSS into it, this will sort of actually like look like a sidebar, but currently as we're just doing HTML, but it doesn't really look like one. So yeah, so that's sidebar done. So this is all that done right here. So we went through the sidebars, footer, the footer, details, summary, and up here the header. So let's go on to the HTML questions. Here are the HTML questions. So number 1, what does the header tag do? Number 2, what does it do between the summary and details? And number 3, how many tags have we learned in this tutorial? So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you've answered all those questions, and if you haven't, just pause the video before we go into the answers. So now let's just go into the answers. So number 1, the header tag defines the header of the web page. Number 2, it does a break line, and number 3, we have learned 5 tags in this tutorial. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. Thank you.